more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about fatherhood and what our community needs are great fathers, men that take on the responsibility of being a father and they take it to heart, which means that they're going to put in all the effort it takes to make sure that their son or sons, are raised as great men. So it's going to take a little bit of effort, but I think we can get through it to where all the young fathers out there can take on the mantle of being that man. It's a huge responsibility. There's a lot that goes into it, and it's not something you can do part-time. It's something that you're going to have to sacrifice for. And that's basically what it's all about. The man that wants to have a family knows that he's going to sacrifice in order to raise his family and what all that entails. And it's a little more special when it comes to the young man that you're trying to raise into a man. So it's a very important part of any father's life to ensure that his son has all the opportunities to become a great man. And that means taking the time to work with them, to teach them, to show them all it takes to be a man. So we don't have all the answers to this question of raising a young man into a great man, but we can work on it. We can, put the best efforts forward in ensuring that we get the right advice, use the right tools, take all the opportunities that's necessary to raise a son. So basically that's what this video is all about. It's about talking with these fathers out here so that they take an active part in their sons' lives and then becoming great men. Which, there are a lot of great fathers out there. I'm not saying that there's not, but there are so many of our young men that are not getting the opportunity, the knowledge, the mentoring, the coaching that is necessary for them to succeed in life. And that's every parent's goal. Every father's goal is to ensure that his son succeeds. I would think, I hope. So in doing so, you need to sacrifice and put all the right checks and balances in order to make sure the son, your son, gets what he needs. So it's up to the father, but we'll definitely be able to work on it together. And that's why I wanted to bring together this forum so that there's somewhere you could go to ask questions, somewhere you can go to find out information, somewhere where we can all talk, put our heads together, and ensure that our sons have the best opportunity to succeed. And that's what I want to try to do. I want to try to help all the fathers out there create a great man with their son. So this is the discussion for today. How we want to do that. What are some of the things it might entail or take in order to do that? So we'll get that discussion started here very quickly. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Some of the statistics that I want to go over, before this discussion gets started, is households in America without fathers. 33% of the children in America live without a father in their home. And it's also noted that most of those children will have disciplinary problems because they don't have a father living at home. 71% of high school dropouts come from fatherless homes. That's a pretty big statistic. 71% of pregnant teens come from fatherless homes. These are statistics that we shouldn't be proud of as a community, as a country, but this is real life, and that's exactly what it is. And with that are some emotional, risky sexual behaviors that happen with that fatherless home dynamic, and it's real. There are 7 million dads that are absent from the home, and it's not to say that, women are the only ones. There's 1.8 million solo dads out here in America. So, there's dynamics on both sides that need to be worked on to ensure that, the house as a whole. In the black community, 75% of kids are born out of wedlock. 84% are without fathers. So these are some statistics that we shouldn't be proud of, and we should, really take a good look at and put some effort into trying to correct the statistics that are bad for our community, and hopefully build a stronger union with the kids to ensure that they have a better chance at life and succeeding in life. Those are just some of the statistics that are out here in this world, and it's reality that we have to deal with. So I just want to get this conversation started and get this community working on correcting the harm that we're doing in the community with a one-parent home. Not saying it's a bad thing, but it's better to have a 2-parent home or 2 parents involved in the child's life. I'll put it like that. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family and